नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। फ्रेंड्स, एक अपडेट के हिसाब से कलकत्ता हाई कोर्ट क्वेश्चंस क्रिमिनल केस अगेंस्ट बैंक ऑफिशियल्स who visited couple to foreclose loan. The court quashed a criminal case lodged against the official of IDFC Bank who visited a couple who defaulted on a loan to complete formalities. The Calcutta High Court on Friday quashed a criminal case lodged against officials of IDFC Bank who were booked under the charges of the criminal intimidation, outragging, modesty, etc. while recovering a loan taken by a couple. Tanisha Chandra versus State of West Bengal. Justice Shampa Datta said official of an institution cannot be made to face criminal charge even for acting as per law. If authorized officers of a bank institution have to face criminal charge, the acting in accordance with law, then it is clearly an abuse of the process of law, and as such, proceedings should not be allowed to continue in the interest of justice. The court therefore requests a first information report FIR and consequent proceeding initiated against the official. As per the FIR, the complainant couple had taken a loan for their pharmacy business. However, when they defaulted in paying the equated monthly installment EMI, the bank asked them to foreclose the loan. The couple agreed to foreclose the loan and asked the bank official to visit their house for further formalities. It was alleged by the complainant couple that the bank officials, after entering their house, started abusing the couple mentally and even physically. One of the officials allegedly tried to outrage the modesty of the complainant's wife by tearing her shirt. The couple also contended that the official barged into their house at an odd hour with the criminal intent. The officials were accordingly booked under Section 341 wrongful restraint, 447 criminal trespass, 506 criminal intimidation, 323 voluntarily causing hurt, 354 outragging modesty of a woman, 509 known person insults a woman modesty, and 34 common intention of the Indian Penal Code IPC. On the other hand, the bank official contended that when they reached the couple's house, the couple started using foul language against them. The officials alleged that the couple had already lodged another case against the officials even before they went to their house, only to deter the bank from the recovering the loan amount. The court said that the bank officials were doing their job and the time at which they went to the complainant's house was also appropriate. Considering the time of to be 2:30 p.m., it is apparent that the petitioners did not intend to act in an unlawful manner. The outstanding dues on the complainant is the admitted. Thus, the conduct of the petitioners was in due course of their official duty. The present case has been filed against the official of a bank in official capacity, one of them being a woman. The judge further held that none of the ingredients required to constitute the offences alleged against the bank official are applicable, as they acted in the accordance with the law in their official capacity. The court therefore quashed the FIR and the proceedings. Advocate Debangan Bhattacharya, Ranjit Singh and the Tutul Das appeared for the bank official. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे कहना ये उचित है कि आप जब भी ऐसे कार्य के लिए बारोवर के पास जाएं तो अपने साथ कोशिश करें कि बारोवर को बैंक के प्रीमिसेस में बुला के वो फॉर्मेलिटी कंप्लीट करें, और अगर ऐसे जाएं तो कम से कम आप अपने साथ ऐसे 2-4 व्यक्ति को विटनेस के तौर पे रखें, जिससे कि किसी की प्रकार की हादसा होने की कोई संभावना ना हो, क्योंकि बैंक्स ऑफिसर्स अपने लॉफुल काम को अंजाम देने के लिए उस महिला के घर गए थे, लेकिन महिला का इंटेंशन, उस कपल का इंटेंशन सही नहीं था और उन्होंने उसको अब्यूज किया। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।